right, what's up guys? Michael here. One more for the lats. This one's gonna be a simple stretch. The bands that we use in the gym, surprisingly enough, you can utilize these for a lot more than just resistance or assisting your pull-up. We're gonna get some stretches going with this. So all we do is we take that band over the top of the pull-up rig, we thread it through, so now it's nice and tight, it's hanging there. We slide the arm forward until it's right behind the elbow. We grab about mid-band, turn that palm forward, and then just slightly walk into it. From here, it's important to kind of keep the back out of the equation and focus on the upper shoulder lat region. So we're gonna pull the ribs down, almost like you're doing a crunch, and then just lean into that space. And now you start to feel that stretch coming through. This is here, we wanna breathe into that space. You'll find it. We wanna spend at least 30 seconds to 1 minute in this space. And then you can also rotate out after that 30 seconds and get more of the outside of that lat space right there. So as we start to open up, we breathe through, we're getting a good deep stretch into that space, and we're breathing into it, so that way we're getting a good open body position. So again, a total of at least 1 minute, maybe 90 seconds if you have the time on each side. That'll help you out on getting that some of that, again, soreness out of that upper body.